guys, long time no see. I know. It's been a minute, but today is November the 9th, 2022, and I'm coming on here because if I'm not mistaken, my 1 year anniversary is this month. I think it's closer to the end of the month, but basically 1 year. 1 year with locs. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some before pictures and show you some pictures if I can locate some of my journey. Oh, sorry. I got coloring, as you can see. I kept telling you guys I was gonna get coloring. I never did until now. But yeah, I don't know what color you would call this. It's like blonde or something. I didn't want like a lot. And there's actually another color in my hair too, but you probably can't see it in this light. I'll try to see if I can take some pictures with it. I just got it done like the coloring like yesterday, but yeah. I'm gonna start going to her less often, like 8 weeks maybe, because I actually enjoy the worn look more than I do like kind of like this look, like newly retwisted, the fresh retwist. So I actually like the poofiness. I'll probably have a lot of those pictures mainly to show you guys, but yeah, this is what it's looking like, and I still love them. And I think this retwist was the only retwist she didn't trim my hair. She had been trimming my hair, I noticed, each time I went. So I kind of actually enjoy this length, but I know it's not gonna stay like this unless I continue like trimming. So yeah, my next goal for myself is to get a style like other than this and like shaking my hair out after I moisturize it or whatever, which I don't do that often. I'm gonna do it more often now because I got my little pieces of color in my hair. What have I been using? I was using just water and just plain oils mixed in some water in a spray bottle, and I'd spritz my hair maybe 2 times a week. Well, in the beginning, actually, like the first couple months, it was like I started with 2 times a week, and then it went down from like one time a week because I wasn't paying attention. And here recently, in the last couple months, I've been doing like 3 to 4 times, just spritzing my hair because I knew I wanted to get color soon. Because that was my goal, to get color in my hair for my Year Loc Anniversary or Lockiversary or whatever. And so that's what I did. So my next goal would be to get a style that doesn't make me look crazy. I know it probably look different anyway because I've gained a lot of my weight back, but that's another story. I need to work on that. Yeah. But yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. I'll post some pictures, and if you have any questions, comments, or whatever, leave them below, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, especially if you've been following this loc journey for a minute or my natural hair anyway on my videos. But if you've been watching since I started the little loc journey, let me know down below. Until next time, I see you later. Bye.